Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you the ultimate video ad solution for your e-commerce brand, and we're going to jump right into it. This is by far the best way to get videos for e-com, and I'm going to show you the exact right way to do it. And we know that creating video ads is super important for every single store. It doesn't matter what you're selling. It's also the number one bottleneck for e-com sellers, right? We're entrepreneurs. We want to, focus on selling and getting our products popular and finding the right customers. But, creating videos is something that we need to do, but we might not necessarily have experience doing it. We might not have the time to do it. It takes a long time. It costs too much. We might not know how to do editing or use the correct software to kind of create the final product that we need for a good video ad. And a really popular strategy for successful e-com stores is to use VidAU to create winning video ads in minutes. It's super powerful. I'm going to go over the shoulder in a little bit, and you see the link below this video. I'm going to show you an AI-powered video ad creator that's built specifically for e-commerce, especially for print-on-demand sellers and for dropshippers. And I know I'm speaking to most of my students there, right? Doing print-on-demand and dropshipping. This is going to be the perfect tool for you because it's incredibly easy. Simple three-step process where you upload a product image or a short video clip. We all have product images, especially if we do print on demand or drop shipping, right? Those are going to be generated for us automatically through our app. So we'll always have that product image. We'll be able to upload it right into the tool. Then you simply pick a template and then finally let AI generate a UGC style video that will convert at high levels. It will be one of your best performing ads, and you could literally use it all throughout your marketing. And this is the perfect tool if you don't have creators, if you don't have editing skills, or if you just need ads fast ASAP. You'll see just how easy it is to use. And that's why I recommend VidAU. This is what I personally use and what I'm going to show you in this video. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go step by step. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get these high converting, amazing video ads for your e-commerce store. You're looking at VidAU.ai, and it's an all-in-one video ad solution. You're not going to do any filming. You're not going to need to do any editing. You're going to be able to create winning video ads in minutes. Perfect for TikTok ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, really any platform where you can leverage video. You're going to be able to use VidAU to create high converting ads. You don't need to write scripts or hire actors or do video editing or download any type of apps or anything like that. Just use this VidAU AI video generator. It's super simple. It's going to save you tons and tons of time, and it's going to give you super high quality videos that you could use for your ads and really all across your marketing. And this is a video ad AI agent that is built for e-com stores. It's perfect for drop shipping and for print on demand because all you need is a product image or a product clip, pick a template, and have everything generated for you automatically. You get AI generated UGC videos in minutes, no filming, no talent required. It's really great for testing tons of creative fast. You're going to get templates based on winning ad formats, and these are going to be based on the top TikTok and Facebook ad structures, saves time, eliminates guesswork, and you get to work with things that are already working right now. Of course, it's also going to include viral hooks and those high converting angles that are going to make sure people stop and pay attention to your ad and click through to buy your product. You'll be able to choose from AI avatars, realistic human presenters that really give that idea of a voice and a human behind the brand. Great for increasing conversion rate. They also have a done-for-you creative service. Their team will build something totally custom for you, especially if you're a higher ticket brand or you're just a very busy seller with a packed schedule. You can reach out to their team and they'll be able to hook you up. What I personally like is that you can create so many variations in so little time. You can create like 10 variations in 5 minutes, gets you going real fast, and allows you to test those ads ASAP. So if you're interested in VidAU, you see the link directly below this video. It's highly recommended. It's going to help you build those ads for your store ASAP. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video.